you on your phone most of the time? And are you looking for ways in making money online? Well, you just clicked the right video. Because today I will be showing you how to make money online with your mobile phone. And I'll show you how to do this with just 3 easy steps. Now you don't need to worry because this works all over the world and this is absolutely free. Also, this method is beginner friendly, so you don't need to worry if you don't have any prior skills or experience in order to do this. All you need to do is stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. That way we can avoid not earning money at all. Because sometimes, other people just tend to go directly to the website and do things on their own. What happens is that they do something wrong, and when they do something wrong, they can't cash out their earnings. They won't make any money at all. Now let's try to avoid that, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video so that you can start earning money as soon as this video ends. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Millions of people all over the world come over to the internet every single day to download photos or to buy photos off the internet. So the method that we'll be doing today is going to revolve around that. Okay, what we're gonna do today is we are going to sell photos. Now, how are we going to do that? Now, I did mention that we're going to do 3 easy steps today. The first step is we're going to go over to google.com and search for these websites. Second, download the mobile versions of these websites. And third, make money online using this method. So right now, I am going to show you the first website, and this is it. As you can see right here, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. People all over the world come over to this website to get photos or to download them or to buy them. As you can see right here below, you can download this application on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. All you have to do is click on either of these buttons. So right now I'm gonna show you the gallery of this website. As you can see right here, these are the photos that are up for sale, which have been uploaded by other people here online. As you can see, these are high quality photos and these are really great. Now you might be wondering if you have to take the photos yourself. Well, the answer is you can, and also it's okay if you won't. Because I will be showing you a website where we can download high quality photos and you can re-upload them right here. As I've told you, you don't need any prior skills for this, and this is really beginner friendly. So nope, you don't need to buy a camera, you don't need to learn photography yourself. You just have to re-upload free photos online and earn from it. Now, if by any chance you're a photographer or if you're into photography and if you have your own camera, well, this is perfect for you. Also, if you're into mobile photography, you can absolutely do this as well. Because you guys, photographers, mobile photographers, even aspiring photographers, you can upload your photos here on this website. You can take photos of your things, your pets, your friends, your families. You can even go to your local place, your favorite local place, your favorite hangout place. Take photo of that, take photos of the park, the people at the park, or whatever. You can take a lot of photos. You can take photos of buildings and so much more. But if you guys are like me who isn't a photographer, well, don't worry because I'm gonna show you a website, okay? By the way, this website is foap.com. Again, that's foap.com. Now let me just click on one of these photos here and let me show you how much each photo costs. Now this photo costs $10, and if you upload your photo here and sell it for $10, you get $5. Why? Because you get a 50% commission. So if you're gonna ask me, why is Foap going to take 50% of your sales? Well, actually all you have to do is just you're gonna upload the photos and Foap will do the selling for you. So that's just how they charge things, okay? What I love about this is that this is a passive income stream, which means that you can upload your photo here and your photo will stay here forever on this website. And if someone buys your photo, you will keep on earning money. As long as this website is still up and running and someone buys your photo, then you're gonna earn a commission, a 50% commission. Alright, so if you're an Android user, then go over to Google Play Store and it'll look like this. The logo of this application will look like this. And if you're using an Apple device, then go over to the Apple App Store and it'll also look like this. Now, before we proceed to the next website, I want you guys to comment down below what device are you using. Are you an Android user or are you an Apple device user? Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, now for the next website, this is a familiar website for you, I think, and I've seen a lot of photos from this website all over the internet, so I think that you already know about this. So this is Shutterstock.com. This website is similar to Fope.com. This is where people buy and sell photos. Basically, this is just another website that you can upload your photos on. And what's great about this is that whatever you upload on Shutterstock, you can upload it on Fope.com. And it's better to use two different platforms at the same time, right? So what you'll need to get started is really easy. All you have to do is go over to these websites, Shutterstock.com and Fope.com, and then sign up for a free account. Again, this is absolutely free, so you don't have to spend a dime on this. And then once you're done creating an account on both websites, we're gonna proceed to the next step, and that is to download the photos online. We are going to download royalty-free photos and then re-upload them on Shutterstock and Fope.com. Now, where are we going to get that? We can get them here on this website. Go over to burst.shopify.com. As you can see right here, download free high-resolution images. There are a lot of different categories, as you can see right here, around the world, work from home, mental health, female photographer, summer, coffee, home, and so much more. Alright, now for this tutorial, I'm gonna click on work from home and then we'll be redirected to this page right here where you can see a lot of different photos, high quality photos, which you can download for free. Now, if you hover your mouse over each photo, you can see that you can download them in high resolution or low resolution. Of course, I am going to tell you guys to upload the high resolution photo. So let me just click on one photo like this one right here, and then I'm gonna download it. So once we're done downloading that, go to Shutterstock or Fope.com and upload the photo. Now, aside from this website, aside from burst.shopify.com, there is another website. But before we proceed, I want you guys to comment down below where you come from. What country are you from? So that in the future, I can make more videos about making money online that'll work in your country. Alright, now let's proceed. There's another website where we can get free photos, and that is pickwizard.com. Again, that's pickwizard.com. As you can see right here, there are a lot of different high quality photos as well, and there are also a lot of image categories. You'll never run out of photos to download and to sell because there are tons of different image categories. Now, this means that you have an unlimited opportunity in earning money with these websites. All you have to do is download photos from pickwizard.com or burst.shopify.com and then upload them. It's really that easy. Now, before I wrap things up, I want to ask you guys, how are you? How are you doing this pandemic? Now, I know that some countries are getting better, getting rid of the masks and everything. You can go out now. But other countries are kind of still stuck. How are you guys? Things may be rough, and I know that usually things won't go out the way we planned them, but I'm here to tell you that it's gonna be okay. Life gives us challenges, and sometimes we tumble. But you know what? We can always get back up. In these trying times, all we have is each other. Now, that is the main reason why we made this channel. Why we made Mr. McMoney. It's because we know that for some of you guys, or for most of us here, it's kind of hard finding a job nowadays. It's kind of hard finding a job online. So that is why we are making this video. We research for ways in making money online so that you can do that. So you can do this yourselves. So that even in little ways, we can help you out. Now, I'd really love to hear from you guys, so just comment down below whatever you are feeling right now, or if ever our videos have ever helped you in making money online. Also, please let me know how you are doing. I just want to check up on you. So right now, I'm going to wrap things up. So first of all, again, we're going to go to google.com and search for the websites, which are Fope.com and Shutterstock.com. Also, we have to search for burst.shopify.com and pickwizard.com. Second step is to download Fope on your mobile phone and then create an account. Third and lastly, upload those photos and make money. So that is how you're gonna earn money with your mobile phone during these times. And that's it! If you learned something from this video and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, okay? As always, if you guys have comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!